Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Electrum Stencil Primer for perfect tattoo transfers. First, proper skin preparation is crucial. Begin by thoroughly cleansing the skin with an antiseptic solution, ensuring it is completely free of oils and dirt. Next, shave the area completely smooth. Finally, allow the skin to air dry fully before moving to the next step. This meticulous preparation ensures optimal stencil adhesion and a clean canvas for your artwork. Now let's apply the primer. Dispense a very small, pea-sized amount of Electrum Stencil Primer onto your gloved finger. Gently spread this thin, even layer over the entire area where your stencil will be placed. Remember, less is often more. You only need a minimal amount for effective transfer. Allow the primer to sit for about 10 seconds until it feels slightly tacky to the touch. This tackiness is key for a strong bond. With the primer tacky, it's time for the transfer. Carefully position your stencil design onto the prepared skin. Once aligned, press the stencil down firmly and evenly across the entire image. Hold it in place for approximately 5 to 10 seconds, applying consistent pressure. Then, gently and slowly peel the stencil away from the skin. You should see a clear, crisp, and vibrant transfer, ready for your tattoo work. After the transfer, patience is key. Allow the stencil to air dry completely for 10 to 15 minutes before you begin tattooing. This drying time ensures the stencil is fully set and less prone to smudging. During your tattoo session, remember to wipe gently and sparingly over the stencil area. Electrum Stencil Primer is designed to hold your design firmly for many hours, providing a reliable guide throughout your entire process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.